What's up, guys? It's Teacher Jacob back here with another video. Today's video is going to be a book reading video. This is going to be the same intro that you guys will see on all of the book reading videos. So basically right now I want you to remind you guys that this is just a reading. You guys don't have to turn anything in. You guys don't have to draw anything if you don't want to. You don't have to write about it. You just have to listen. If you want, the book will be up on the screen so you can follow along. If not, what you can do right now is go grab some blank piece of paper, scratch paper, rip paper. It could have lines on it. It could be the back of some work that you don't need to turn in anymore. Anything. Grab some crayons, some colored pencils, markers, pens, pencils if you only have that, paint if your parents let you. And basically, I want you guys to kind of draw what you guys hear, what I'm reading about. Or if you want, draw about something that you just did the other day. Draw a picture for your parents, draw a picture for your sister, your brother, your friend, your teachers that you miss while I read. But it's kind of something that's just like busy work to do while I read, and a little brain cool down for the tougher subjects like math and writing and science that you guys have to do. This is supposed to be a little fun. But yeah, this will be the same intro for every single video, and I hope you guys enjoy it. If you guys do have any pictures, send them in. Take a picture of those pictures and send them into the email down below in the comments or the description. Or for my students, it'll be in the instructions tab. I want to see what you guys are drawing, and I'll post them up here for the next readings. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy these next readings. Talk to you later. What's up, guys? It's Teacher Jacob here, and as you guys see below me right here, there's 3 books that we're going to be reading. We're going to be reading Danny and the Dinosaur, Story and Pictures by Sid Hoff in this video. In the next video, you guys can look for the Henry and Mudge series. We're going to be starting with book 1 and kind of going every day with the next Henry and Mudge book. And lastly, of course, a Dr. Seuss book, because who doesn't love Dr. Seuss? Thidwick and the Big-Hearted Moose. If you guys are interested in any of those other books, go check them out in the other videos for my students. They'll be posted the next day. But yeah, so the first book we're going to be reading today in this video is going to be Danny and the Dinosaur, Story and Pictures by Sid Hoff. One day, Danny went to the museum. He wanted to see what was inside. He saw Indians, he saw bears, he saw Eskimos, he saw guns, he saw swords, and he saw dinosaurs. Danny loved dinosaurs. He wished he had had one. "I'm sorry they are not real," said Danny. "It would be nice to play with a dinosaur, and I think it would be nice to play with you," said a voice. "Can you?" said Danny. "Yes," said the dinosaur. "Oh, good," said Danny. "What can we do?" "I can take you for a ride," said the dinosaur. He put his head down so Danny could get on him. "Let's go," said Danny. A policeman stared at them. He had never seen a dinosaur stop for a red light. The dinosaur was so tall, Danny had to hold up the ropes for him. "Look out," said Danny. "Bow wow," said a dog, running after them. "He thinks you are a car," said Danny. "Go away, dog. We are not a car." "I can make a noise like a car," said the dinosaur. "Honk, honk, honk." "What big rocks," said the dinosaur. "They are not rocks," said Danny. "They are buildings." "I love to climb," said the dinosaur. "Down, boy," said Danny. The dinosaur had to be very careful not to knock over houses or stores with his long tail. Some people were waiting for a bus. They rode on the dinosaur's tail instead. "All who want to cross the street may walk on my back," said the dinosaur. It's very nice of you to help me with my bundles," said a lady. Danny and the dinosaur went all over town and had lots of fun. "It's good to take an hour or two off after 100 million years," said the dinosaur. They even looked at the ball game. "Hit the ball," said Danny. "Hit a home run," said the dinosaur. "I wish we had a boat," said Danny. "Who needs a boat? I can swim," said the dinosaur. Toot, toot, went the boats. Toot, toot, went Danny and the dinosaur. "Oh, what lovely green grass," said the dinosaur. "I haven't eaten any of that for a very long time." "Wait," said Danny. "See what it says? Please keep off." They both had ice cream instead. "Let's go to the zoo and see the animals," said Danny. Everybody came running to see the dinosaur. Nobody stayed to see the lions. Nobody stayed to see the elephants. Nobody stayed to see the monkeys. And nobody stayed to see the seals, giraffes, or hippos either. "Please go away, so the animals will get looked at," said the zoo man. "Let's find my friends," said Danny. "Very well," said the dinosaur. "There they are," said Danny. "Why, it's Danny riding on a dinosaur," said a child. "Maybe he'll give us a ride." "Maybe have a ride?" asked the children. "I'd be delighted," said the dinosaur. "Hold on tight," said Danny. Around and around the block ran the dinosaur, faster and faster and faster. "This is better than a merry-go-round," the children said. The dinosaur was out of breath. "Teach him tricks," said the children. Danny taught the dinosaur how to shake hands. "Can you roll over on your back?" asked the children. "That's easy," said the dinosaur. "He's smart," said Danny, patting the dinosaur. "Let's play hide and go seek," said the children. "How do you play it?" said the dinosaur. "We hide and you try to find us," said Danny. The dinosaur covered his eyes. All the children ran to hide. The dinosaur looked and looked, but he couldn't find the children. "I give up," he said. Now it was the dinosaur's turn to hide. The children covered their eyes. The dinosaur hid behind a house. The children found him. He hid behind a sign. The children found him. He hid behind a big gas tank. The children found him. They found him again and again and again. "I guess there's no place for me to hide," cried the dinosaur. "Let's make believe we can't find him," Danny said. "Where can he be? Where, oh where is that dinosaur? Where did he go?" "We give up," said the children. "Here I am," said the dinosaur. "The dinosaur wins," said the children. "We couldn't find him. He fooled us." "Hooray for the dinosaur," the children cried. "Hooray, hooray." It got late and the other children left. Danny and the dinosaur were alone. "Well, goodbye, Danny," said the dinosaur. "Can't you come and stay with me?" said Danny. "We could have fun." "No," said the dinosaur. "I've had a good time, the best I've had in 100 million years. But now I must get back to the museum. They need me there." "Oh," said Danny. "Well, goodbye." Danny watched until the long tail was out of sight. Then he went home alone. "Oh well," thought Danny. "We don't have room for a pet that size anyways. But we did have a wonderful day." That was Danny and the dinosaur. So, I hope you guys enjoyed that book. Basically, it kind of shows that in order to have fun, you don't have to win, but it's always nice to let other people win sometimes. And with that, because I'm going to end this video for you guys, let's do the daily affirmation. 1, 2, 3. You're braver than you believe, stronger than you seem, and smarter than you think. I hope you guys enjoyed that, and I'll see you guys next week for the next video. What's up, guys? It's Teacher Jacob, and this is just the very end. So we went over 3 books today, so you're going to see this closing on each one of those book videos. But for Danny and the Dinosaur, the picture that somebody ended up drawing was this. Let me show you guys. It's upside down. Drew this and drew this. For Henry and Mudge, kind of just drew whatever she wanted. And Flitwick and the big-hearted moose. Once again, can be anything. This is what I drew. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed those readings, and I'll see you guys next week for the next ones.